Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we will be covering some news around the blockchain, some stuff on ZetaChain, Argent, Starknet, SEI network. Got some stuff on Optimism, Venom, Linea. A lot of updates on quests that have been going on and that are happening in the future. So with that being said, we will go ahead and dive into it. So first up, we got ZetaChain. They're expected to announce or launch their mainnet very, very soon. They said Q2, end of Q2, beginning of Q3. So this is the one I've got my eyes on, had my eyes on for a while. In their recent announcement, they have partnered with cross-chain automated market maker decentralized exchange Symbiosis. They add support for ZetaChain Testnet to enable any-to-any chain token swaps without wrapping or locking assets. So learn more about the partnership here, and you can test. They actually have a little quest going on. So you can go here and there's 4 different quests on this campaign. So there's the ZetaChain Symbiosis social quest, where you like, retweet, follow, join the Discord. I'll go ahead and switch to mint these or claim. Bada bing, bada boom. Next one is the mainnet quest. So to get this NFT, you should make a minimum of $25 cross-chain swap on Symbiosis mainnet. Which if you go to Symbiosis, and this is what it looks like. We connect our wallet. And make sure you're on any mainnet, not a testnet or anything. See, I'm on Optimism or BNB mainnet. They want you to swap from any chain to any chain, but make a minimum $25. Swap. So I did from Optimism to Arbitrum. I did a $30 swap, and you set what you want to transfer from, the asset, where you want to transfer to, destination, token. And once that's done, all right, let's go. Once that is done, you can go here and verify and claim your token. It might take a little while. Mine took 10-20 minutes to verify. Then we'll go check out. So there's the on-chain quest, which make on-chain swap on ZetaChain Testnet. So if we go to the ZetaChain Testnet, where is it? We'll just switch in our wallet to the ZetaChain. If you don't have... Oh, wow. Okay. Like, what the heck is going on? If you don't have the ZetaChain Athens 2 network, I'll show you. Not now. The ZetaChain Athens 2. This is what you want to copy. Exactly. API Athens 2, ZetaChain. Copy all these and save that in your network, and you'll have access to that network. So, you want to go back here. Doesn't seem like it. Let's see. Okay, you need to click on this link in the app itself, or in the description, and it'll take you to the testnet site. So once you're here, you can see we have the testnet networks, and it says on chain. So you want to swap from Zeta, or on this, you want to be on the Zeta Athens chain for both transfer to and transfer from, or transfer from, transfer to. We'll go ahead and put 0.01, see if, guess there is no liquidity for this trade. So we'll go ahead and wrap our Zeta, since that's the only transaction we can do. Interesting. I don't know what the deal is. Doesn't look like I can swap anything on here. Okay. Yeah, try a low amount of, I guess it's not working. Okay. Well, I guess we're not able to do that at the moment. Let's see here. Nope. Not doing it. Stuck transactions. Interesting. I guess that is not going to happen right now. And we can check on this last one. So this is a cross-chain swap from ETH Gurley and BNB testnet to ZetaChain testnet. And I've gone ahead and sent some stuff from Gurley to ZetaChain, but BNB has been not working. So that's another issue that they seem to be having, is the BNB testnet is not working properly and not sending the proper amount or sending anything. It's not connecting to ZetaChain. So the slippage on here is crazy. So it says 10%. Yeah, you want to give it 3 at most. Wow, slippage is too low. All right, let's test out 10%. Slippage be crazy, dude. Slippage too low. What do they want? 25%? They crazy out they mind. Although it is a test net. There could be, see? Now. Come on, BNB. Let's go, BNB. Work for me, work for me. Do it, do it, do it. Make it green. Make it green. No. Doesn't look like it enjoys it today. But we'll move on from that. If you just go in the Discord in ZetaChain or Symbiosis, and people will be able to help you out with that. So, yeah, have fun, enjoy, and be on the lookout for ZetaChain's big mainnet drop. And next, we'll go into Linea. Linea just finished up their week 4 of their Linea Voyage. And you can, if you haven't joined in on the fun, let's go to the Linea Voyage right here. Linea Voyage. So this past week, we did the NFT week. I was able to get all the points except 2 tasks, and I did this like 3 times, and there was issues, all kinds of issues, but it's all right. We got most of them. They announced that week 4 holds hidden surprises. As you complete each task, you'll be able to claim a mystery box, and you will gain up to 15 points. But also, we will have big news for you. Our Linea Voyage NFTs are getting uncovered. Let's take a moment to marvel at our exclusive Linea Voyage commemorative NFTs. The Linea Voyage NFTs will have 5 editions, celebrating the journey we're all taking together in building a truly robust L2 network. The first edition Lineans is our starting point and will be available to anyone joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more details on how to claim your own NFTs. The NFTs are not all you get for when you support the Linea Network. We have been working on some fire swag concepts for upcoming events and need your feedback. Check out some designs in Snapchat and vote for your favorite swag. I've done this. I've voted already. If you're down to check out some swag, you can go in here. If it wants to load, we'll check on that in a minute. They did a Twitter Spaces earlier today. This week's campaign will run from May 24th at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to May 28th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will have additional 24 hours to claim points on activities completed by May 28th. Here are the activities for this campaign: retweet, vote on swag, watch Space on YouTube. Pretty simple, similar to week 2, just some community building tasks. And this is the snapshot page where you go and connect your wallet and vote on different things. There's this guy modeling different shirts that you can pick. I like this one. I mean, this one's cool. That one's cool, but I don't really like how it's... If it was the other way around, if it was flip-flopped. But everyone's loving number 1, only the front. Go in there, check it out. Get ready for week 4 Linea Voyage and complete as many tasks as you can. And it'll be in this Linea Voyage page on Galaxy. And just go to the Linea page here and you can find the link. Another quest update, Argent. They've just finished their 3rd week as well. And you can go, whoops, didn't want to do that. I wanted to go back here. They have week 3's NFT available to claim, which is right here, Argent XYZ. And young Padawans, it's time to claim your Jedi Swap Explorer NFT. So it may take a few hours for your NFT to appear in wallet after minting, so please be patient. Now, this next part of the quest or campaign is a partnership with Mint Square NFT. If you don't know, Mint Square is an NFT trading exchange. Buy, sell, or mint an NFT. So as long as you've done this between April 1st and May 30th, as today, May 24th, listing an NFT is not included. You can join our campaign at any time to take part of this NFT and download Argent X here. So how to buy, how to mint, how to sell. And if you've already bought an NFT, sold an NFT, or minted an NFT since April 1st, using your Argent X wallet, you'll be automatically eligible for the snapshot. You only have to complete one task, not all 3, buy or sell or mint either one of those 3. You can get this dope this is really dope. I like this. That's pretty sick. Get that art, dog. That's an update with Argent and this Starknet ecosystem. Venom Network. Venom finally released one of their testnet missions or tasks or partners, but they recently released an update. So after a month since their testnet has been launched, they got some metrics for us. Although I've heard some issues on this, on the user count and growth and stuff. It's really kind of weird how there's been so many total accounts. Yeah, that 16 million. There's a lot of people thinking that it's not very credible. So testnet numbers, yeah, 190 million transactions, 17 million accounts. That is unless people are just using multiple wallets or multiple accounts. 576,000 wallets, 3 million NFTs minted as part of on-chain social tasks. The ecosystem has their dApps on Testnet, Venom Wallet, Venom Pools, Venom Scan, Venom Bridge, Venom Stake, Web3 World, Oasis Gallery, Venom Pad, and Snippa Finance, or Snippa Finance, DeFi portfolio tracker designed for users to manage their assets. And to keep things exciting, we launched a series of tasks to encourage active exploration for all our dApps. Users have to complete a series of on-chain or social media tasks to unlock an exclusive commemorative NFT. The community's general consensus was that they enjoyed this initiative, viewing it as a successful method for encouraging testnet engagement. And they fixed some bugs and made some improvements. And yeah, just not a whole lot from the Venom ecosystem. Still a little insight into what's going on and how much engagement they're getting, or what it looks like they're getting. Because ultimately you don't know for sure until the thing launches. But we'll see. We'll go here, and I wanted to touch on SEI Network real quick, because they've had a lot of big partnerships recently. They've partnered with D-Mail Network, which is, I'm not sure what DMail, I guess it's a decentralized mail exchange, a cross-chain transaction and information protocol connecting Web 2 to Web 3. So it is a mail, so seamless login support for SEI users on DMail's login page. SEI users can get a free mint of a DMail 8 through 11 digit NFT domain. Support SEI users communicate encrypted messages with Web 3 and Web 2. And then they also are teaming up with FusiFox. I'm not sure what exactly FusiFox is. The upcoming AAA quality graphics Web3 game. Building the main cross IP arena of Web3 Telegram. Interesting. Everyone wants to be the AAA game, but how much of that is actually going to come true? So another game partnership with Mystic Treasures, and well, I think it's a game partnership. What is Mystic Treasure? I want to speak out of turn. Okay, so it's a learn-to-earn RPG adventure simulation. That's a game. And then you have CryptPro. So their mission, making digital asset markets more efficient through 24/7 institutional grade liquidity. So CryptPro brings better pricing, enhanced liquidity, and elevated trading to SEI. I think that's, and Human Done is another one. How many since the last time? I mean, that's quite a bit since the last time we met. But we design and develop crypto projects. And also some of their blocked missions are having issues verifying the mission. So if you're involved in that, good luck. And they've added other people to their liquidity alliance, just creating a more robust ecosystem and network of liquidity providers. So that's on the SEI, and this Optimism. I didn't know the rabbit hole, I guess. Earn tokens by participating in the best crypto networks, new quests on Mondays. And they offer rewards, like real rewards for completing certain tasks. And on Optimism, I'm going to go ahead and swap. Where are we at? Go ahead and switch. So rewards, I've just gotten one. And these are all ones that are active right now. They expire in 5 days. If you want to check that out, earn some OP. I don't know how long they're doing this for. But I guess it's for a little while. Let's check it out. Let's actually see. Rabbit hole. All right, so this is 14 weeks. Each week, we'll be curating top protocols across Optimism ecosystem and running on-chain quests. So if you're into that, check it out. Gas fees are a little high for me to be doing all of these. The reward's not as great. But if you're down for it, hey, be my guest. Earn all the rewards, dog. And I wanted to end on this. This infographic could help you earn over 10K. It's very subjective. But these are some of the top expected airdrops and some tasks for each one that would be recommended to perform. And these are the little icons, or little reference icons. So governance, token ownership, staking, lending, borrowing, testnet, mint NFT, add liquidity, swap, and bridge. On all these, done quite a bit on all of them. There's it, yeah. You want to use the bridge on pretty much all of these. Layer 0 has the Aptos bridge. Use Stargate, buy and stake Stargate. Vote on Snapshot. ZK Sync bridge, mint ZK Sync Lite NFT. Trade on Zigzag, mint ZK Sync Era NFT. Use Sync Swap. Starknet, create Argent X wallet, bridge to Starknet. Use 10K swap, Jedi swap, Sync swap. Use ZK Lend, mint NFT on Mint Square. And Polygon ZK EVM, same bridge. Use the NFT marketplace. Use Quick Swap, Ant Farm Finance, ZeroVix Lending DApp. Argent Layer is a testnet. You can get testnet tokens, staked ETH and RETH, and restake on Argent Layer. And Scroll is another testnet. And I'll actually show you Argent Layer. Argent Layer. I'm gonna connect my wallet here. You'll be on the Gurley network. And basically you get some staked ETH by going to the Rocket Pool, testnet, and Argent Layer. If you go to the Argent Layer Twitter, go to their page, their website, and you can look through the documents, find the Rocket Pool testnet link and the Argent Layer testnet link, and you can go in here, stake some ETH, get some RETH, and there's a way to get Lido staked ETH. You have to send it to you have to send some Gurley ETH to an address, and they send you staked ETH. But you just go here and deposit, and then the next day just unstake it. Simple as that. You get a bunch of points for staking and restaking. I'll go ahead and do this real quick. I don't need to do anything here as I've already gotten RETH. But if you need that. And also Scroll. If you haven't checked out Scroll, we've done videos on them, but they also have their Aave testnet. They have Aave, but I don't have the link saved. So this is good. This is good. Scroll's been added to Aave v3, and you can test swaps and all kinds of features on there. Or not swaps, I'm sorry. It's deposit funds and okay, testnet, yeah. Okay, and that's queued. While that withdrawal is taking place, I'm gonna unstake this. And with MetaMask, since I'm using it on both, I need to wait for this to finish. I'm going to add this to, oh no, remove, connect my wallet. Bada boom, big bada boom. Where are we at? Settings. I want dark mode, but testnet mode, you want that on? Now that is queued. Yeah, while we're waiting on that, we can swap over to the scroll network. Scroll alpha testnet. So we're gonna go here and go down to scroll right there. You can go in here and play around. Let me just add this to my scroll. No, don't see it. And get yourself a bookmark system like that. Have it separated by networks and have all your stuff. You can go in here and play around and borrow and lend. We'll disconnect from there. An Argent layer. Go back to Gurley. And scroll is another one that's going to have a potential drop on here. And I know ZetaChain is one that I'm really anticipating. The big airdrop from, well, kind of anticipating. You will need a token for their app or their protocol, because you have to pay in Zeta. So whatever they do, I wonder if it's in their GitHub. So whatever you do, make sure that you are going and interacting with the Zeta Testnet. Zeta Labs, go in here and see if they got their, oh, I don't want that. Let's get some Zeta. Let's get some Zeta. Sweet. And every 7 days you get like 7,000 Zeta points. I don't know what they're going to be doing for rewards on that. Let's see if they got anything in their developers, docs. See if they got a GitHub. Yep, right here. Let's see what they got going on. ZetaChain. Sometimes they can have token airdrop stuff hidden inside this. No. I'm curious to see if there's anything. I'll have to dive into that a little more. But that's pretty much it. That's all I got happening. There's a lot more going on in this space. There's a lot of noise and stuff that, like the MetaMask and the Ledger things, and it's nice to know about. And I feel like there's a lot of people talking about the same issues. So I kind of want to take a different approach for my news segments and diving into what's going on in the projects themselves, as opposed to fear about other things in the space. Now, while they're important to talk about, it's important to remember that this is the important shit. This is some of the most important stuff, is understanding the projects and the space and what's going on and being involved and how things work. So it's nice to get a fresh insight on these different projects and protocols and networks. But I hope you enjoyed this little news segment, and if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace.